Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for calculating speed track into GPX data file. You can see I have a GPX data file on my computer. I can open it into Gpx Viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is data, what is exactly into GPX. And you can see I have some basic fields like latitude, longitude, elevation fields. Some track has empty time and calculation of speed for timeless records are not possible because there is no time change. We don't know how fast object is moving through GPX, but here we have a time and we can calculate this particular. Sometimes GPX file contains speed inside as a tag already pre-calculated, but most GPX files, they don't have a field calculated, like some basic GPX sensors, they're just storing basic GPS coordinates like latitude, longitude, elevation, and time, but they're not storing and not calculating speed because of it takes time to calculate speed, and they're not fast devices, they're slow, so they just write in log file. And to see speed into these files, I will use Viewer. I will download it from this website. I will leave a link on this site into description. To find application, I'll click on search and type Gpx Viewer, and I need this Gpx Speed Viewer. I'll click on application page, click on download button to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. I will be recording more videos on different GPX converter and different applications for processing GPS data and GPS files. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to this channel. You can see I have a viewer archive downloaded to my computer. I will click on archive to open it, double click on MSI inside archive to start application, and click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next, install, click on yes, and click finish on panel screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this and double click on the shortcut to launch app. Now, in order to see GPX speed, I will click on this button, select input file, navigate to my GPX folder, GPX text file folder, and click on this multi-track GPX. And you can see it's showing there are a couple new fields added. It's calculated speed meters per second, calculated speed kilometers per hour, calculated speed miles per hour, and calculated speed nautic knots, and elevation change in meters, in bearing degrees in meters change. So you can see it says no change in time, meaning there is time field missing. So we cannot calculate speed for this track. However, if I scroll down, you can see there are time data, time change for active log 2. And you can see it has time data in it, and now we can calculate speed in meters per second or kilometers per hour. Also, we can calculate speed miles per hour and elevation change. This is quite of change. And you can see it's calculating all this data into GPX files, showing some of data are still the same. There is a problem with Converge, Vincenti. There is a problem with GPS when it cannot calculate for some reason. And some data just stays the same. Oh, it's elevation change. It's just we are going on the same. There is no elevation change. We're going like all the way. So, and yeah, so basically that's it. It's recalculated speed for this GPX. We can export into different format. For example, Excel. I click Excel and it's asking me for name location of result Excel file. It's click on save. Let's go and see Excel file. And double click on it. And you can see we have our speed field as well for every GPX coordinates. For example, track 2, we have time and speed in meters per second or kilometers per hour speed, and also elevation change and bearing in degrees change. Yeah, I opened it into XLS viewer. Let's open it to Excel. I don't have Excel installed on this computer. I have just free version of Excel, which is Excel Mobile. It's not allowing me to change anything. I cannot change column size or anything because it's free version. But you can see we have a calculated speed columns here, and we have data into these columns as well. So yeah, basically that's it. This is how I'm using Gpx Speed Viewer to pre-calculate data on single or multiple GPX tracks and save it into Excel for further analysis. So if you are interested, if you'd like to see more applications like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.